Today we're going to do an oil change, just some basic maintenance on this 2007 Honda Fit. Just some basics are, here's the oil cap, takes 5W20 oil. Here's our dipstick to check the level when we're nearing completion. So next thing to do is go down below and we're going to locate the drain plug and the oil filter and drain those so that we can get this oil. So finding the drain plug and the oil filter is pretty easy on this vehicle. There's even a little sign here that says engine oil that way. So there's your drain plug. It uses a 17mm wrench or socket. So we need to loosen that, drain that out into our oil pan. Normally you should replace this gasket here. This one's pretty flattened too. Alright, so we're gonna let that drain for a couple of minutes. And let's see, we'll get the oil filter started here. Get our tool on there. The ratchet in there. And we're gonna wait to take it off and drain it. So we gotta get our pan under there. That might work. There we go. Yeah. So then you can get both draining simultaneously. I'm slowly pulling the filter away because I knew a bunch of oil was gonna dump out and I didn't want to make a big mess. There we go. And we'll wipe up the mess. We're gonna put the new filter in, but the seal is dry, and to get it to seat properly, we're putting a little bit of oil on it. And we'll just thread it on by hand. And just getting a firm grip on it and going hand tight is good. Just about all our oil out, so we'll go ahead and plug that up. Preferably with a new gasket. This gasket is aluminum and it gets squashed every time you tighten it until it's like super thin and doesn't want to seal well anymore. Alright, now we can just wipe up any mess or excess, and then we'll go up top and refill it and check the level. Take off our filler cap, get our funnel, and check how many quarts this thing takes, which I think is like 3.5. Alright, ooh, there we go. Getting pretty close to the full mark. So we'll just add just a little bit more. Fire it up and recheck it real quick, and once the oil gets circulated into the filter. Alright, so we'll take our funnel out, replace our filler cap, and we're all done. To finish off this job, we're just going to reset the oil light. There is this little maintenance button here, well, / trip meter odometer button, and you just want to get it to the point where it shows oil life, and then you can hold it until it flashes. There we go. Then you release it. Okay, so now it's flashing, so it's ready to reset. So you hold it again. And there we go. 100%, so you're all reset.